Alright folks, just a quick look at this here lug hammer I got. I can't even pronounce that name. If you want to, you can. Looks like it does pretty good size. It's down pretty thick. Seems to have a nice strong spring in there. Hold your lug in place while you're getting it ready. Looks like it's got multiple layers of steel in there. I don't know if that's the norm for these. Never had one. To me, I would think just having a solid piece in there would be sufficient, but it's got some weight to it. I didn't pay much for it. I don't even remember what I paid for it. But, seems like it's pretty solid. I haven't tested it yet, so I'll have to give it a test run. And then once I do that, I'll let you know. But I can't see anything going wrong with it. It's pretty much going to do what it's going to do. There's not much to it. All right.